Hi, my name is Dana Beck. Thank you so very, very much for watching my video. And if you would, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you can see more of my content, more of my videos. And also, if you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. I would really, really appreciate it. Thanks so very much. So today, what I want to talk about is, why does it seem like the middle class and maybe the lower middle class can never seem to get ahead financially, but they're stuck in that, in that financial bracket and just can't seem to, again, get ahead financially? And how come the wealthy seem to be getting wealthier? The rich seem to be getting richer. What do they know that we don't know? Well, before I get into that, I'd like to look at something kind of interesting. The cost of goods, the prices of everyday goods and commodities, how they've changed over the past 20 years. Like, for instance, in 2002, a pound of hamburger was $2.19. I was the average. And then an average, cost for a gallon of gas back in 2002 was $1.36. Boy, how great would it be to have, the cost of gas like that today? A chicken breast, say, for instance, chicken breast back in 2002 was averaging around $2.21 a pound. And and then a new car. Let's look at, for instance, a Ford Taurus. A Ford Taurus in 2002, the average cost of a Ford Taurus was around $19,894. Today, that same Ford Taurus, in today's model, that averages around $30,230 for a brand new Ford Taurus. And so again, prices continue to increase. And so, gas today, for instance, gas today in some parts of the country, it's averaging $7, $8, $9, $10 a gallon. Where in 2002, like I said a moment ago, it was $1.36. So clearly, the cost of living, the cost of goods and products continues to, increase dramatically. And the buying power, if you please, of the dollar has continued to decrease. In other words, it's costing more dollars and, to buy certain goods, to buy cars, gas, food, and so forth and so forth. Now, you're seeing a lot of ads because of inflation going through the roof and the cost of goods going up. You're seeing a lot of ads in email, on television, in YouTube videos, on the internet, in newspaper, in so many other medias. You're seeing more and more advertisements for all these companies offering to acquire silver and gold. And sometimes, it just inundated with this. And don't get me wrong, a lot of these companies are great companies. They offer a good service, a good product, but you can clearly see that the direction that the wealthy are going is acquiring more silver and more gold. For instance, Warren Buffett, I don't know the exact figure off the top of my head, but recently he invested billions of dollars in the acquisition of an enormous amount of silver. He has invested heavily in silver. And why is that? Well, because he understands how the economy works. He's also invested heavily in gold to protect and grow his wealth as well. Well, how about you and me? What can we do to invest and protect our income and protect our money, protect our wealth? What can we do? Now, I don't have billions of dollars to invest in silver and gold, and maybe you don't either. But the point is that many, many wealthy people are protecting their income, protecting their wealth by the acquisition of silver and gold. And what's really interesting is the value of silver and gold has just mushroomed. And I know, like back in 2002, silver for an ounce was like $4.60. Today, and this fluctuates daily, today, silver is worth about $26 an ounce and continues to increase. Gold, for instance, back in 2002, was $271 for an ounce. Today, gold is well over $1,600 an ounce and continuing to increase. So what's the point of all this? Well, acquiring silver and gold is a wise investment. It will protect It will protect your income. It will protect your finances and your wealth. Because when you stop to think about it, in I think it was 1971, Richard Nixon, our president at the time, took us off the gold standard. Because prior to that, you know, gold was backing the US dollar. There was something behind it to support it. Today, the value of the dollar is really, you know, contingent upon what the market will bear. And so there is really nothing supporting or backing the US dollar. However, silver and gold, it continues to grow in value, and it has been a method of, you know, of transactions for thousands of years, going back to biblical times. So silver and gold has been here a long time, and I'm sure it'll be here for a long time in the future. So what's the point of all this? Well, the point of all this is there is an easier way for you to grow and protect your income, your money, your wealth, and not relying on fiat currency. And the way to do that is to invest in silver and gold. But Dana, I'm not Warren Buffett. I don't have that kind of money. Well, I'd like to show you a way, and just, you know, I'd like to show you a way in which you can acquire silver and gold, grow and protect your wealth affordably. And whether you're earning minimum wage or whether you're earning 6 figures a year, it doesn't matter, because whatever your income level is, you absolutely can invest in silver and gold to grow and protect your wealth. And I don't know if the US dollar will collapse. Some economists say that in the future, the value of the dollar will completely collapse, just similar to other currencies like the Greek lira, which collapsed, and other currencies around the world which have collapsed and become pretty much worthless. And so, will that happen to the US dollar? I don't know. I can't tell the future, but I can tell you this: silver and gold is a very solid investment. And again, because the value of silver and gold has maintained and continues to grow dramatically. So, having said all this, how can you, again, whatever income level you're at, how can you acquire silver and gold, invest in silver and gold, and grow and protect your wealth? And it's not as complicated as you might think. It's not as expensive as you think. It's very, very affordable. Anybody can do this. And it's very, very simple. So what I'd like to do is I would like to show you some information, and that will help you, and that will educate you on how you can invest in silver and gold and protect and grow your wealth. Now, we still need fiat currency, absolutely, but acquiring silver and gold is part of an overall investment strategy to protect your hard-earned money and protect your wealth. And there's various pillars, if you please, to do that. Silver and gold is a major pillar to grow and protect your wealth. And I'd like to show you how you can do that, again, affordably, easily, and it's not complicated, and anybody, regardless of your income level, can do it. So what I would encourage you to do is just go ahead and click on the button below this video, and or below this YouTube video. There's a link. You can definitely go ahead and click on that to learn more how you can grow and protect your wealth with silver and gold. Thank you so very, very much for your time. I really do appreciate it. And I look forward to hearing about your success as you grow and protect your wealth with silver and gold. Thank you so very, very much for your time.